vegan black bean burgers. This is an absolute delicious recipe, which I think you're gonna love. So today I'm using the Ascent Series 3500i. This is the top of the line Vitamix model. And let's get started. I've got 1 can of black beans. So I've just drained that, and it goes. I've got half a cup of panko breadcrumbs. Absolutely delicious. Now I've got here, instead of using an egg, I'm gonna use some chia paste, all right? So I've made this. We've got 1 tablespoon of chia and 3 tablespoons of water. And you'll get that beautiful gelatinous texture, similar to an egg, which is gonna bind our burger patty together. Okay, so we'll put that in. Really healthy for your chia seeds. Packed with good omega-3s, really good for you. And 1/4 cup of fresh coriander, or cilantro, depending where you're from. And 1/4 cup of brown onion, and it goes. I've got 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, okay, low salt soy sauce. And then 2 cloves of fresh garlic, and they go. And I've got half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon, which I just spilt everywhere, of black pepper, okay? Absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna lock my lid into place. I'm gonna use my tamper. Now I'm gonna put it on speed 8, and I'm gonna pulse it about 10 times, okay, whilst using the tamper. Away we go. That's it. So take away the tamper, and in the container here we have our beautiful burger patty consistency. See how beautiful that looks. So I'm basically going to scoop this out. I'm going to put it in a bowl. I'm going to let that sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm going to make 4 burger patties out of it. Now you can eat this raw. Absolutely delicious. Or you can put it in the oven or put it on a pan just to cook it a little bit, or just really to heat it up. You don't have to cook it. And that's it. Put that on some burger buns, tomato, lettuce. There you go. Happy blending.